Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about why study software engineering. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Why study software engineering? Studying software engineering offers a range of benefits and opportunities in today's technology-driven world. Here are several reasons why pursuing a degree or career in software engineering can be valuable. Number 1. High demand for software professionals. As technology continues to advance, the demand for skilled software engineers remains strong. Virtually every industry relies on software in some capacity, leading to a constant need for professionals who can develop, maintain, and innovate software solutions. Number 2. Lucrative career opportunities. Software engineers often enjoy competitive salaries in various job prospects. The demand for skilled software professionals can lead to higher earning potential compared to many other fields. Number 3. Innovation and creativity. Software engineering provides a platform for creative problem solving and innovation. Engineers design and develop solutions to a wide range of challenges, from improving existing systems to creating entirely new applications and technologies. Number 4. Global impact. Software has a significant impact on society, influencing how people communicate, work, and live. By contributing to software development, you can shape the way individuals and organizations interact with technology on a global scale. Number 5. Versatile skill set. The skills acquired in software engineering are transferable across various industries. Whether you're working on healthcare applications, financial software, entertainment platforms, or any other sector, the foundational principles of software engineering remain relevant. Number 6. Continuous learning. Technology is ever evolving, which means that software engineers have opportunity to engage in lifelong learning. This profession requires staying up to date with latest programming languages, tools, and methodologies, fostering a culture of constant growth. Number 7. Remote work opportunities. Software engineering is well suited to remote work, offering flexibility in terms of location and work hours. This can lead to a better work-life balance and the ability to work from different parts of the world. Number 8. Collaborative environment. Software development is often a collaborative effort involving teams with diverse skills. Working alongside other professionals such as designers, product managers, and quality assurance engineers fosters a sense of teamwork and collective problem solving. Number 9. Entrepreneurial ventures. Software engineering skills are essential for building startups and innovative projects. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, a background in software engineering can provide you with the tools needed to bring new ideas to life. Number 10. Global connectivity. Software engineers are crucial in building and maintaining the platforms that enable global communication, e-commerce, social networking, and more. Your work can contribute to connecting people around the world. Number 11. Job satisfaction. Solving complex problems and seeing your creation come to life can be immensely satisfying. The sense of achievement from building functional and useful software is a rewarding aspect of the profession. Number 12. Diverse career paths. Software engineering offers doors to various career paths such as software development, system architecture, DevOps, data science, machine learning, and more. You can specialize in areas that align with your interests and strengths. In conclusion, studying software engineering provides opportunities for personal growth, innovation, and a chance to contribute to society's technological advancement. Whether you're drawn to creativity, problem solving, or the potential for global impact, pursuing software engineering can be a fulfilling and dynamic choice. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on why study software engineering. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.